come back to the woods later on in the day.
With me this time, and
see what it's
said
like.
to me,
yeah,
that she saw this
my
kid in a mask that was literally just the same as me. I don't know if he knows anything, but he's like literally just the same as me.
Yeah.
He had a similar gun to this.
Yeah,
A different back part.
He had a similar gun, but as I said, the back looks different. Because I thought it was him at first.
Plus, once we hear looking for him, we're looking for him.
Yeah. Last time when I came up earlier.
No. Shall we just go all the way through the forest because we're going on for him?
Yeah. It felt like being washed earlier at the other end. What is she waving for?
Huh?
What is she waving for? Where? What, you can see them?
Yeah.
I can't see anyone.
Well, not there now. It was like here.
That's rough area. I saw them. That person earlier. Oh no, not there. It was there. It was near that biggest tree there.
Where you pick them up?
Yeah.
Going over there?
Yeah, no, that thickest tree there.
What, behind your foot?
Well, it was behind a bush and he came towards that big thick tree.
Or was it like there?
I was combining both earlier, hanging around both areas.
Right, I'm going to try and do where he walked to. I don't know if it's correct, but tell me if I'm correct. So I saw the video and showed me.
Yeah, so I've uploaded it and I showed it.
Walked from here, went up to this tree, went like this.
Yeah.
And then Nan was looking the other way still, and he'd come up to this tree and then back.
Yeah.
And then Nan saw him and he started walking.
And then he waved at one point. He waved at me at one point.
Yeah, he waved like this as he was walking. And then he was stood here doing Fortnite dances like this.
Yeah, because I was wondering why he was doing Fortnite dances.
And then he went up this way.
And I started walking towards me and I was walking and I was walking backwards wondering why he's following me. I wasn't even talking at the time, or he wasn't talking at the time.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you know, we're going on holiday in 2 months. Well, in 8 weeks.
Last week of July, so if I can upload, I will. But if not, we'll be doing videos, and I'll try to upload it whilst we're away. But if I can't, I'll do it when I come back.
I'll upload if I have a phone. Well then.
Well, you send it to me, then I upload because it's only just a one.
If I have a phone by then.
Yeah. Or you can ask your mum, can you record it from hers and send it to me?
Which path do we take?
Am I going that way?
Okay. I haven't been up that way.
I thought we went that way earlier. I thought I went up there earlier.
Yeah, we went up that way.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Actually, no, we did. Actually, yeah, we did.
I never. I went every way, didn't I?
We went this way.
No, I went every way, didn't I? I went there. Oh no, I went to go their way, but I came this way, didn't I? What? What can you say? Gonna have to look twice, son. That actually got. I got. Yeah. Oh, what pheasant. That's a pheasant. That's an actual pheasant. I don't know if I caught it on camera. They're quite nice. What I was told. Pheasant to eat.
black thing.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Whereabouts?
Just go down there.
Yeah, that was a pheasant.
That pheasant's fly?
Yeah,
Where did it go?
in the trees and bushes somewhere. Yeah, that blew.
What was that?
It was that way somewhere. I'm not too sure if that's an animal or a man. That tree there, what's leaning over, really thick branch leaning over this way.
Yeah.
At first, from back there, it looked like someone's body hanging in midair.
Don't say that again.
Well, it's a tree, isn't it? So you know it's not. That's why I pointed out the tree, because it was a tree, what it looked like it.
Oh, that bag scared me again.
Yeah. That was a bit weird.
Was that the same voice I just heard there?
Yeah. It's just... For a second, it looked like someone ran from right to left as I'm looking that way to your right for about a fraction of a second. And I looked away and I looked again and it was gone.
Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears.
I can't, because I can't take it off my head. So I can't, I can't lend you my ears.
Okay then. No, I'll put it.
My ears are attached to my head, so no, if I had a knife to cut it off, I would.
You
But
would not.
no, not really.
And guess what play that was from?
Shakespeare, one of the Shakespeare ones.
Julius Caesar.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
What was that?
What?
Do you know when I said friends around the country and lend me your ears?
Yeah.
Somebody just whispered that in my ear.
Okay.
That was the pheasant.
From where? Oh, that way. I was looking to the right because I thought I heard something. Yeah, I was looking to the right because I heard something. It's just that I've been wary since I saw that what looks like a see-through figure running across. It's like it was a figure, but it wasn't, sort of thing.
So we walk out to the field, yeah? What?
Oh no, it's branches. No, you come here a minute. It's weird. Roughly about there. Straight ahead, the two trees, what's a big gap? There's leaves, but it looks like a face in the leaves. If you come over, no, that way. They're further away from each other. There's a middle one and a left-hand one. If you look straight through, there's a load of leaves in it. It looks like, if you look at it long enough, it looks like someone's face.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Is that someone's face or is that the leaves or something? What? Anyway, as you're saying.
What?
You're saying something about this way.
I said I was walking out to the field, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Well, I don't mind.
But because I'm going straight home, ain't I?
Yeah. If he stayed last night. Yeah. Oh yeah, he did, didn't he? Because you mentioned it earlier. Oh, he turned up about 8 when it's time for bedtime, like he always does. Nearly up, sticking that on then up your bum.
Bruh, these things have got long.
Yeah, tell me about it. That's why I was saying earlier in the video, I don't think I'd be going in all areas where I normally go because all the stinging nettles and weeds.
These have got long now.
This is silly with all these stick nettles, showing that they don't cut it down for people to walk, but it's one of them things, I guess.
This is the exact way
They don't look after the woods. Because burnt out bikes and everything are left in there for months and if not years. What's that, Riley?
the way.
It's the way, what?
I'll tell you afterwards.
Oh, okay.
Once we ended the video. Something that no one else is allowed to hear.
Okay.
So best not to say.
Who the hell is that?
What?
Are you hearing that?
What, people shouting?
Talking. As if they're, what, are people,
Yeah.
what, is people over side of bushes?
I think so.
That's what I'm hearing, is people talking.
I'm saying it again.
I haven't stopped hearing it.
That same thing you heard, the freaking muffling.
Yeah, it's people talking as if it's every side of them bushes. Men and well, a man and a woman's voices, but muffled. I can hear them, but I can't hear what they're saying. I heard that earlier. See, I just heard it again, like a muffling type talk. Then it gets clearer, but I still can't work out what they're saying. Yeah? What? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Nothing.
You've seen something, haven't you? What have you seen? The way you reacted just now. What did you see?
You know when we heard the muffling thing along the morning?
Yeah?
I got to there, I saw a man and a woman's faces both staring back towards me.
Okay. I wonder if we catch it on the
No,
recording.
You're too far back.
No,
Muffling?
yeah, the muffling of the sound of them talking, muffled type talk. Because that time when we heard that sound and you. Now was that a bird or someone saying something?
No, that's just hit the tree.
Huh? No, I heard sort of sound that way, going that way. Didn't you hear it?
I know a bird went up that way. I saw a bird fly that
See, if you remember that time there, I think Mosi came with us and we heard something. And then I never heard it. But you two did. And when and then when on a record, when it was recorded, we listened back to it, and it sounded like me coughing.
Oh,
Yeah, and it sounded like me.